Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Estimate it faculty, staff, and fellow students. I stand before you today to express my strong opposition to smoke within our campus grounds. Your campus should be a heaven of health and being for all. Unfortunately, the presence of smoke on campus undermines this fundamental principle. Cigarette smoke is a cocktail of harmful chemicals including nicotine, tar, and carbon monoxide. These substances not only harm the smoker but also poses significant risks to the exposure to secondhand smoke. Students have consistently shown that secondhand smoke can lead to a range of health problems, including lung cancer, heart disease, and respiratory illness. Moreover, smoking on campus creates an unpleasant and unhealthy environment for everyone. That smell of cigarette smoke in private and can linger in classroom, library, and other shared space. This not only detracts for the learning expression but also create discomfort for those who are sensitive to the smell or who have respiratory condition by implementing a comprehensive smoking ban on campus. We can create a healthy and more pleasant environment for all. This word involving designating specific smoke area outside the campus ground, providing support service for those who wish to quit smoking, and conducting awareness campaign to education the campus community about the danger of smoking. Let's work together to make your campus a smoke-free zone. By doing so, we can protect the health of your student, faculty, and staff, and create a more conducive learning environment for all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Introduction to Simple Present Tense by Adelia Putri. Let me introduce myself. Hi everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Adelia Putri. You can call me Adelia. Majoring in Informatika Teknologi 2024. University Bina Sarana Informatika, Faculty of Engineering. Why did I choose the topic Simple Present to explain? Because this topic is the basic of English, but in writing or speech. However, many do not understand the simple present as the basic of English. Therefore, let me explain in more detail. What is simple present tense? Description extension that are habitual, generation truth, or fixed phrases. The simple present tense is to express routines, repeated activity, and things that are always true. It forms the basis for clear communication about events that happens regulator are universally accepted. Use of simple present tense to express habitats, descriptions, activities, or extension that are done, regulation, or repetitively explain. I go for a talk every morning. To stay generator truth indicated space there are universally truth and not subject to change. Explain the air revolve around the sun. To talk about fixed agreements. Reference to plan even the schedules that are certain. Explains the train leaves at 6 p.m. Structure, positive tense, subject plus base verb plus object. The structure is as for simple statements, descriping, regulate, extension, or phrase. The subject is followed by the base for the verb with good and modification for I, you, we, they, or with an as for he, she, it. Explain. He walked to school. He or she or it read Equalize the verb to modify with us. Explain. I play soccer. I or you or we or they as the best verb. Struktur negative sentence. Subject plus do or does not plus best verb plus object. To form a negative sentence in the simple present tense as do not for subject I, you, we, they, and does not for subject her, she, it. The best verb remains change. Explain. Explain she does not play soccer. Subject she. Negative do not. Best verb play. Explain. They you not go to school. Subject they. Negative do not. Best evernya ever verb go. The qualifier verb does remove the need to add as or ac to the main verb. Structure question. Do or does plus subject plus best verb object. To form a quest in the simple present tense, begin with do for the subject I, you, we, they, and does for the subject he, she, it. The best for the verb remaining on chance. Explain. Do you like the coffee? Do you like coffee? Subject you. Auxiliary do. Best verb like. Explain. Does her play the guitar? Subject he. Explainsnya does. Best verb play. As with at first of frequency. At friends of frequency are as with simple present tense to description who often an extension occurs common at friends of frequency in three always as three often sometimes really never positive of at friends first before the main verb. Explain she always drink tea in the morning after the verb to be. Explain he is often late of work. Explain Stan I never miss my morning wake up that sometimes play soccer after school. Spelling rules for thing person singular in the simple present tense why asking the preposition singular he, she, it, and as to the best verb. Rule for adding most verb at as. Explain her runs. Explain her goes to the park every day. She study English in run often in the city. As the simple present in daily life. The simple present tense is commonly as to express daily relations, general fit, and schedule even daily routines as to talk about attention that happen regulation. Explain I wake up at 7 p.m. every day. He read the newspaper every morning. General phrase as the statements are always true. Explain water boils at 2 derajat Celsius. The year or beats the sun. Schedule even as future even based on schedule. Explain the train left at 6 p.m. The class start at 8 a.m. Making negative in the simple present. To make negative sentence in the simple present tense as do not or does not before the best form of the verb. Texture for I, you, we, they. As do not explain. She does not play football. Import not do not change the main verb when as do or does not. The verb stay in this best form. Explain he does not eat breakfast. Not he does eat breakfast. Forming question in simple present tense. To form simple present tense as do or does at the beginning of the sentence, followed by the subject and the best form of the verb. Texture do or does plus subject plus best verb. For are you with J as do. Explain do you like pizza. He for he she it as does. Explain do does she play piano. For that point the main verb stay in this past form explain does he go to school, not does he goes to school. Short and somewhere can be given as we, I do, or no, he does not. Her question in the simple present. What question? With the question word like what, where, when, why, who, play, followed by do or does. The subject and the base form of the verb. Texture, what word plus do or does verb, subject verb base verb. For are you, we, they, us, do. Explain, where do you live? For he, she, it, us, does. Why do they study English? Explain, what does he do on weakness? Why does she go to the gym? Excuse. Explain sentence English. Why talk to school every day? Explains indicate the subject she, dia, third person singular, base form of the verb. Base verb talk, berjalan, spelling plural, fourth person singular at us, to the base verb talk, commerce talks, final and somewhere. English, she talks to school every day. Exercise 2. Explain extension English the like pizza. Explanation in the the subject they, mereka, plural, base form of the verb. Base verb like suka, forming the negative sentence as do not or do not plus base verb, structure subject plus do not verb plus base verb plus and somewhere. English, the do not like pizza. Explanation 3. Explanation sentence English, she played the guitar. Explanation identification the subject she, dia, singular, base form of the verb, base verb play, bermain, forming the negative sentence as does not plus base verb, structure subject plus does not plus base verb, final and somewhere. English, she does not play the guitar. Exercise 4. Explain sentence English, we eat breakfast at 7 a.m. Explanation identify the subject we, kami, plural, base form of the verb, base verb eat, makan, form the negative sentence as do not plus base verb, structure subject plus do not plus base verb, final and somewhere. English, we do not eat breakfast at 7 p.m. Rangkuman, simple present tense digunakan untuk menggambarkan kebiasaan rutinitas sehari-hari, fakta umum, dan kenyataan yang selalu benar. Struktur berdasarkan mencakup bentuk positif, negatif, dan pertanyaan. Yes, no, dan what. Subjek seperti he, she, it menggunakan kata kerja dengan tambahan s or es, sedangkan subjek I, you, we, they menggunakan kata kerja bentuk dasar. Pertanyaan simple present dapat dibentuk dengan menggunakan do or does. Di awal kalimat ikuti subjek dan kata dasar aturan pengerjaan kata kerja seperti menambahkan s or es dan perubahan y menjadi ies. Penting untuk diperhatikan, kesalahan umum meliputi penggunaan bentuk kata pekerja yang salah pada subjek tertentu dan kesalahan dalam membentuk kalimat negatif atau pertanyaan secara keseluruhan. Simple present tense adalah salah satu dari penguasaan bahasa Inggris untuk menyampaikan hal-hal yang bersifat tetap atau sering dilakukan. Terima kasih. Thank you. Honton arigato.